Hey everyone, it's Kendra with iCraft Vinyl. Today we are going to go over all the instructions you will need when using iCraft's metallic heat transfer vinyl. iCraft's metallic heat transfer vinyl gives a liquid chrome effect when applied, resulting in one-of-a-kind designs. Our metallic vinyl is available in a variety of solid colors and is finished with an ultra-smooth texture. Its reflective property has a prism effect that projects different color wavelengths to provide depth and dimension to your HTV projects. You can apply with a heat press or an iron. Now let's go over all the settings you will need to know in order to use iCraft's metallic HTV. You will use heat transfer metallic as your cut setting for a silhouette machine. You will use light cardstock as your cut setting for a Cricut. Your temperature setting is between 305 and 315 degrees Fahrenheit. You will want to use medium pressure when using metallic heat transfer vinyl. You will want to press your metallic heat transfer vinyl design between 10 and 15 seconds. Metallic HTV is a cold peel, and remember, it cannot be layered. Today we are making the I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that witch design with our metallic heat transfer vinyl. iCraft Vinyl's metallic heat transfer vinyl needs to be cut on heat transfer metallic. Make sure in Silhouette Studio you click on your design and go to Object, Mirror, Flip Horizontally, or when you hit the Send button that you click on Send Mirrored. If your design is already mirrored, you would click Send As Is. When you're preparing your mat, make sure that the shiny side of your metallic HTV is always placed shiny side down on the mat. The dull side should always be facing up. Now we are going to cut out our design. When weeding iCraft's metallic HTV, remember to start on the outside and work your way in. That way you don't accidentally weed out part of your design. iCraft's metallic heat transfer vinyl weeds so well. Look at this design. Look at the shine and glimmer of that metallic heat transfer vinyl. We are going to start by making a center line down the middle of the shirt by pressing it in half. By pressing a center line down the middle of my shirt, I give myself a guide. This guide helps me line up my design to make sure that everything is centered. Now it's time for me to apply my metallic heat transfer vinyl. You'll want to press your design between 305 and 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 seconds on medium pressure. Remember, metallic heat transfer vinyl is a cold peel. You need to let your design cool down in order to peel off the carrier sheet. Here's our completed shirt with the metallic heat transfer vinyl. Metallic heat transfer vinyl really adds to the wow factor of this design. Thank you for learning all about iCraft's metallic heat transfer vinyl with me. Bye!